At ArtiFlex Manufacturing, we are more than a Tier 1 supplier. We are problem-solving partners delivering start-to-finish solutions in design, tooling, automation, and manufacturing. Innovation drives us forward. At our Troy, Michigan facility, we bring ideas to life with engineering, design, development, and prototype fabrication, pushing the boundaries of automotive manufacturing. Precision starts with our tooling group, where we leverage advanced capabilities across multiple Michigan locations to support complex tooling needs. Our 65,000 square foot Broadway facility, we focus on engineering, design, die simulation, machining, and die construction, ensuring tools are built for durability and performance. Our 90,000 square foot Bristol facility takes tooling further with advanced die tryout, high-speed fiber laser cutting, and early part production capabilities. At our 85,000 square foot Warren location, we specialize in machining, die construction, repair, and laser cutting, delivering precision-crafted tooling solutions. In Fraser, Michigan, we focus on proof tooling, prototype products and assemblies, and specialize 3-axis and 5-axis laser cutting for rapid and accurate component production. Our 70,000 square foot General Die and Engineering facility expands our expertise into die-cast dies, coining dies, plastic injection molds, thermostat molds, and CNC machining for diverse applications. Technology is transforming manufacturing, and ArtiFlex is at the forefront. Our automation group delivers cutting-edge solutions to improve efficiency and precision in production. At our 45,000 square foot facility in Grand Rapids, we specialize in the engineering, design, construction, and testing of automation equipment, including robotic cells for streamlined manufacturing. In Spain, our Ingamat facility offers expertise in automation equipment, hemming systems, and virtual commissioning, providing innovative solutions for global automotive manufacturing. With over 1.2 million square feet of production space, our manufacturing group ensures seamless execution from raw materials to finished automotive components. Our flagship Worcester facility, spanning 1.1 million square feet, is vertically integrated to support high and low volume manufacturing. It houses 55 presses across 7 press lines, including 3 fully automated press lines, ensuring efficiency and precision. Our advanced capabilities include 4 robotic hemming cells, 15 robotic weld cells, and 10 manual weld cells, allowing for flexible and scalable production. Additionally, high-speed 5-axis lasers provide cutting-edge precision for complex geometries. With in-house warehousing and e-coat capabilities, Worcester delivers full-service manufacturing from stamping to final assembly. Our Clyde facility, covering 180,000 square feet, is designed for precision forming and assembly. Clyde's expertise extends to manual and robotic weld cells, tandem line stamping, roller hemming, robotic spot welding, bonding, and riveting, producing high-quality parts with efficiency and consistency. At ArtiFlex, we don't just manufacture, we innovate, automate, and deliver world-class solutions. From concept to completion, we are your partner in automotive excellence. This is the ArtiFlex Edge, a seamless integration of our core competencies that makes us an innovative, problem-solving partner in the industry.